Okay, let's look at this problem. Determine the margin of error for a 99% confidence interval to estimate the population mean when S, which is the standard deviation, is 44 for the sample sizes listed below. So we're given the confidence percentage and the standard deviation and the sample size. So if you click on view an example, it gives you the formulas, but if you keep looking, it will tell you whether they want you to use the formulas, which they do at first, but if you continue, it says either technology or a T-distribution table can be used to find the critical value. For the purposes of this explanation, use technology. So the way that you can use technology on this particular problem, what I like to do is see how the book wants you to calculate this. So if you look in section 8.3, this is, it talks about using Excel. So you can either get the critical value using Excel or actually calculate the confidence interval using Excel. So I'm going to do the confidence interval. So it's equal confidence dot T, and then you put in alpha, you put in the standard deviation, and you put in the sample size. Now alpha, let's look at how to get that. So alpha is just 1 minus your confidence interval, which in our problem was, let me see if I can find it, was 0.99. So 1 minus 0.99 would be 0.01. So we're going to put in equal confidence dot T, and alpha we said was 0.01. Standard deviation, let's look and see what that was. Standard deviation is 44. It says S equals 44 right up here. S equal 44. And for the first one, N is going to be 13. So 44 and the size is 13. So your number here is 37.28. Okay, that is your margin of error. That's what we're trying to calculate here. I said confidence interval, but I meant margin of error when I said it earlier. Then for the next one, everything will be the same except for N. N is going to be 27. So all we need to do is change this to 27, and now we get 23.53, which is the second one. And then if N is 48, we would change this to 48, and then it would be 17.05. So that is what they're wanting you to do on this problem, is to use technology. Let me know if you have any questions.